Hello everyone, I'm Miss Eagle from TM. It's a pleasure to meet you again. Today, I'm excited to recommend TM Tag XP, the propane model of our ground grinding equipment. Tag XP is a fully gear-driven grinder with TM Company's 26 years old gear-driven technology. Let's take a look at its outstanding performance. Tag XP will permanently eliminate the issue of replacing belts, reducing maintenance time and costs. At the same time, Tag XP is also a remote-controlled grind machine, lowering labor costs and reducing the operator's workload, enabling efficient operations. We look forward to welcome you at the World of Country 2026 in Las Vegas.